Offences of atrocities. Offences of atrocities under the Act are forcing any person who is scheduled caste and scheduled tribe to eat or to drink any inedible or awful substance, committing the act of dumping excreta, waste matters, carcasses, or any other bad substance in the premises or neighborhood of any member of scheduled caste and tribe with intention to cause injury, insult, or annoyance. Committing any act against any member of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe which is derogatory to human dignity, like the act of forcibly removing clothes or parades him naked or with painted body or face, wrongfully taking over or cultivating the land which is owned by or allotted to or notified by any competent authority to be allotted to any member of scheduled castes and tribes, compelling any member of scheduled castes and tribes to do a form of beggar or bonded labor or any other forced labor, forcing any member of scheduled castes or tribes to cast a vote in favor of some particular person, or to stop them to cast the vote or to vote in a manner other than provided by law, giving any wrongful information or malicious information to any public servant who makes that public servant to use its official power against any member of scheduled caste and tribes, intentionally insulting any member of scheduled caste or tribe to humiliate him or her in public, assaulting or using any force against any women member of scheduled caste or tribe in order to outrage her modesty. In 1993, the government passed the Employment of Manual Scavengers and Construction of Dry Latrines Prohibition Act. This law prohibits the employment of manual scavengers as well as the construction of dry latrines.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.